Hi guys, welcome to everyone. Welcome to Sai Krishna Sampara Seko. Having a great day alone. How are you enjoying the day? Friends, today let's talk about the best IPL controversies or fights, whatever has been done between the players where the gentleman game was not so gentle. There was a collision or some fight disputes between the management and the teams. Here we go, top one. It was a match held at Pune MCS Stadium, and Ambati Rayudu, former Indian player and Mumbai Indians player and a great legend for Indian team, he has done a small mistake in stopping a boundary, and Harbhajan Singh was furious on him. This was after the ball. Rayudu was very much upset, and he went for a collision with Harbhajan Singh, and it was the major issue because the same people in one team were fighting just for small things. Secondly, it was Zaheer Khan versus David Warner, match between Delhi Daredevils and Delhi Capitals presently and Sunrisers, where Zaheer Khan was giving warned Warner to be quiet and not to make any dances and all. Warner was very much fumed, and there has been a collision between both of them. They were not happy with them, and next ball again the same wicket of David Warner fell, and both of them were very, very happy. And then we have Shane Watson versus Kieron Pollard. It was a match between Rajasthan Royals and Mumbai Indians, where Watson had an argument with Pollard. Both were very furious, and Rahul Dravid was to come in, and after that Watson was sitting in the dugout and Pollard went to field, and even then they were furious. Watson was shouting from the dugout. He was later sent to the dressing room. It was very high voltage fight. Then it was RCB versus Mumbai Indians, where Pollard versus Mitchell Starc were fighting. Pollard insisted Starc not to bowl, but Mitchell Starc continued to bowl, and it led to a biggest fight where Kieron Pollard just threw the bat from his hands. It was very much unprofessional between both of them, and Virat Kohli and Chris Gayle were came in and telling Pollard what happened. Pollard later was very much furious, and this happened. And next it was a fight between local boys, Delhi Lords of India and Giants of Indian cricket. One was Gautam Gambhir, second person was Virat Kohli. It was a match held at Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru, where Gambhir was given out on a catch, and he was furious on Virat Kohli for reacting on his wicket. This led to a massive fight, and it was the biggest fight in IPL history. Next it was Sreesanth versus Harbhajan Singh, one of the biggest fights, where Sreesanth was slapped by Harbhajan Singh after being misbehaving with his team own Indian members, being in the IPL team, and this was the biggest fight in the IPL. Then we have MS Dhoni fight very angry on his fielder who was not alert versus a match in Delhi. First time I guess you see Dhoni so aggressive. He was so aggressive, and he removed him from the fielding point, and he was so furious. This was the first time it was recorded while Dhoni was very angry, and this match was held in Firozshah Kotla. This types of moments which makes the gentleman game a little bit unprofessional and bring some unwanted heat in the game. And okay guys, this is what I know. You can share a bit more if you know. Please do comment your top fights and the topics what you wanted to listen from me. For today we have IPL diaries as like Fabian Allen, the former West Indian player and picked by Sunrisers Hyderabad, misses his chartered flight and he'll miss the entire CPL now. Mumbai player Mumbai ka Dale Steyn passes away at the young age of 28 years. A very sad thing for cricket fans. Let's all pray for his soul. May his soul rest in peace. Indian star all-rounder cricket player of Baroda, Rajkot, Mr. Sir Ravindra Jadeja was been fined by the Rajkot police for breaking the lockdown rules. He was found in a car. Pakistan versus England's second test would be played tomorrow at the Southampton ACS Bowl. Pakistan will eye an equalizer, whereas they can bounce back. My prediction is that England would win this match. Pakistan possible changes would be getting Nasser Fraz and one more spinner in, and to get an all-rounder, while England will be missing Ben Stokes as he has opted out for personal reasons, and he would be leaving to New Zealand, so he would not be available. So who would replace the mighty Ben Stokes' impact? Can Babar Azam score a century or play a long innings? What made Pakistan suffer a lot in this first game? So guys, these are what we have today. Tomorrow I'll be bringing you more good topics and more hot topics in cricket. Stay safe, stay happy, and goodbye. Thank you.